Introduction to the animal kingdom. The animal kingdom. Animals are multicellular, eukaryotic, heterotrophs, organisms with cells without cell walls. All animals carry out the following functions: feeding. Animals eat or ingest their food. Respiration, taking in oxygen and giving off carbon dioxide. Circulation, to move materials around inside of body. Excretion system, to eliminate bodily wastes. All animals carry the following functions: responses. After sensing changes in environment, animals respond to change. Movement, although some do not move, most animals are motile, able to move. Reproduction, carrying on genetic code in offsprings. Invertebrates. दूसरा टैब लगाना है. Invertebrates makes up 95% of all animal species and do not have a backbone or vertebral column. Examples: worms, insects, crabs, starfish and jellyfish. Vertebrates makes up only 5% of all animal species. They have a backbone or vertebral column. Examples: humans, fish, reptiles, amphibians and birds. Body symmetry categories animals based on three basic body plans. Asymmetrical, lacking an organized body plan, only in the sponges. Sponges look like this. Radial symmetry, body plan of an organism that can be divided into two equal halves when any line is drawn through its center. Example: starfish, jellyfish and sea anemones. Starfish, jellyfish and sea animal look like this. Bilateral symmetry, body plan of organisms that can be divided into two equally halves by only one line drawn through its center. Examples are crabs, insects, fish and humans. Crab, insects, humans. Asymmetrical is sponges. Radial symmetry review: asymmetrical sponges, radial sea anemone, bilateral human.